Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to increase conversion rate on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute 10 ways to increase conversions on your Shopify store. Step 1, highlight product benefits clearly. Way 2, leverage personalization. Way 3, upsell and cross-sell. Way 4, optimize the checkout process. Way 5, allocate checkout. Way 6, write useful and valuable content. Way 7, use remarketing to target specific customers. Way 8, reduce price shock. Way 9, provide limited time offers. And the last way, integrate live chat software. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.